हेलो एवरीवन। सो ये वाले बैनर जो आप देख सकते हो, जैसे आप लोगों ने बोला कि ये डिज़ाइन करके दिखाओ। ये टोटली कैनवा पे बना हुआ है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। होप सो आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा। पहले तो नेम दे देते हैं एंड लेट्स नेम इट लाइक आई एम डिज़ाइनिंग फॉर द कंपनी Fabulik. So I'm naming it according to that. Okay, great. So over here I have collected the assets that I'm going to use in my video. This is the logo of the company. This is the jewelry I'm going to use. So let's start. Let's search out for the go to elements. Search the background. Purple background. Okay. The searching out is literally a difficult task for me. बहुत बार पसंद आते हैं, बहुत बार नहीं आते हैं। कभी पसंद आते हैं तो कलर अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं, and there are many sorts of reasons. So anyways, let's search. Okay, great. Let's go with this color only. Okay, great. After searching a lot, so this is the name of the background I have used, that is dark blue gradient background, and in the photo section you will get the background that I have used, that is this. So okay, great. So place the logo, background logo, and for this background image. So our image is ready over here. The thing is, you will be questioning that how I made this half. So I did just nothing, just cropped from above. That's it. And background आप लोग white रख सकते हो. We have to make this part, the jewelry part. Okay. So I did just nothing. I just placed my jewelry over here, and the part which I don't want, this part. Okay. So I will just click on the background remover and remove the parts that I don't want. You can zoom in and zoom out with control. So here is the result. Okay, need some more. I think this shadow part is not working out properly, so I will remove this one. Okay, looking great. Yeah. So if your image is looking bit blurry, so you can do one thing. You can go in the app section, search for the image upscale, that is image upscaler. Okay, and with the first one, I will go with the first one. This has quite great result. What you have to do is select the image, go to 4x and upscale. It will take a couple of time and your image will get quite great. So till this happens, let's go to the next part. Over here I want only this much. I want only this part. Now this one is the previous one and this one is the final. So you can quite see the difference. Previous, final. Previous. I'm quite happy. Well, let's go to the second part. Over here I want only this much. So rest of the part I will remove. Just this I did for this first one. Okay. Let's take first, let's change the position of this one. Okay, now it's great. After explaining this, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will make another video for you guys. Let's adjust the position properly. Okay, great. Okay, I hope this till here you guys have understood what I did. Let me summarize for you. First, I added the background image. Okay, now let me change with first the one which I have done. Let's take quite couple of time. Okay, great. So this is the final result. You can see this is the previous and this one is the final. Great. So okay, I was summarizing the part. I took the background image, then added this jewelry, remove the background, then third, keep the part which you want, and after clicking on the background remover, go to the background and remove the part which you don't want. Go to the background and remove the part which you don't want. I hope this one is quite great. So let's move to the text section. Over here I think this is Playfair font I have used. So T, what is the text? Fabulik. Okay, great. Let's change this to white. Fabulik finest jewelry. I'm doing this fast forwarded. I hope you will understand that the text part. Okay, so I've collected the text as I took it from the previous design where I have used the text. You can use ChatGPT to generate the text, whatever you like for your branding. So, okay, let's arrange this image. Go to the spacing and letter spacing. I think letter spacing is quite great. Line spacing, yeah, okay, great. Change the font. That I'm going to use the Playfair. Yeah, great. So let's change the color of this, and I will choose from the image which I have. Well, this is quite dull. Something more great. Okay, let's go with the yellow and only which I have used in the previous design.